In this video, I will show how to generate a Bcrypt password hash for any string input. So visit my this on website webtools.barkadereza.in. Then underneath generator, click here, enter your text and submit. So you will get this Bcrypt hash, copy and use anyway. We can see there are so many texts and you can easily Bcrypt with hash. Thanks for watching. Comment in this video useful for you. Give your feedback and suggestions about this website tool.